I'm trying a GoPro view this time. I don't know about the audio on this, but hopefully you can hear me. I normally use a magnifying glass on my head, Magnavision it's called, and I have to say that this is very difficult to see for me. Whew. And this is a set of decals from Highball Graphics. I hope you can see their label over there to the right. Two of the three cars are completely lettered and have flat finish on them, one of which is right there to use as a model for this one. Alright, where have I not cut it? Why isn't it coming out? It looks to me like I've cut that all the way around. Come on. I guess as this decal paper is thicker than what I'm used to. Or did I miss one right there? And right there. Come on. There we go. Drop that in the water. Milk. Now I just need the BM and the number, and this is where I cannot see. I'm going to need a magnifying glass, I can't see that. Here's my Magnavision. Hello. Oops, sorry. Really? Oh my lord, those are tiny. Oh, that must be the end letter. Okay, B&M 19. Jim, help me out here. Does that say 32? Okay, B&M 1932. Let's go with 1932. Sounds like a good year. 1932. I hope you realize out there in YouTube land, I can't see those at all. Yeah, and I just cut right through the B in BM. Wow, nice job. Shows how much I can see. I think that one's okay. I need to get a magnifying glass. I have one, but not right here, of course. Okay, microset. I'm going to put the microset down under where the decal will be going. Oh, I had a little piece of paper towel. Okay. So I'm thinking Jim's clear finish is thinner than most that I'm used to. So what I'm going to have to do, usually I would just pick the decal out of the water and put it in place, but it was too flimsy. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'll just pick it up and put it down where I want it with the paper backing. It looks like that's not quite straight. What do you think? I got it? Okay, now I put in some Solvaset, tip it a bit, and put some drops of Solvaset down there. This bottle is, just moved it. This bottle is pretty well empty. So I do have a spare. Hurrah. A little bit high. Kinda. I think it's still, a little bit high if I can nudge it down. It's not nudging. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now what I want to do is just tip it right up, absorb as much of that excess as I can. Yeah, okay. Now the big milk lettering. Come on. So the M is going to go against that rivet line there. And I think the edge of the left edge of the K will be right there. That's how I'm reading it. Ooh. Ooh. This lettering is considerably narrower than the Bob Ellis decals. Bring it down. I wonder who's right. Great. I am. Okay. I guess that's staying. So I'm just trying to wick up the excess. If you remember my previous parts of this playlist, I mentioned that this particular decal Solvaset, as it dries, what's left is water. So it's in its most concentrated form right at the beginning. And so if I absorb that most concentrated solution, it should melt down or meld down into the details, the rivets, better. Cross my fingers. Okay. That's the big BM Herald look. Is that melting? That's still quite a bit of liquid though. All right, that's it for now. That's done. I'm going to see how this GoPro goes. If it works, I will, or if it looks decent, I will load it and make it a part of the decaling video. Edit it onto there. Thanks for watching. Leave comments, questions, subscribe. Bye.